Now catch when you say or you're popular into one continent for assemblies. But to chance one continent for assembly woman. Yet the Kromuha, a brown who Hopeson. Unim. Hopeson Adoya is the only educated man. Only Obia only education now call election. Parliamentary. I have born for from Pong Katamanso, Pong Katamanso. MP no matter say we sabe. Otumi Kasada, acquire to someone. Want to be grand Kasa of Parliament. Now, so Pong KatamansoFuo who say who Hopeson, we are the Bonia, and you are no phone out the nam. Maybe they are family who so close with one. Maybe I didn't say on a or a teacher. One will be I want to be thrown in Echo Jina Batwo. Pong KatamansoFuo to a bit yao. Sometimes now we hear Hajia Samira and the and then we had Jano Baba Mahon and then some atadi enemy oh free. That time me gifty Okoko Baba and saying crowdy and easy. No with him, second lady, Bame you. Now second lady, obey pinso, and not the same second lady now, or Babua who hopes now doye for your bed, no, and the send you pan on our person was to know about 10 now ye day. Now when you're the I made you make catch though. Me say, Andra prekese na who say na aircon because you sabi atade a wo shed the call where ase. As a prekesa de koto abenkwen. Tantan time. So umpa ho asem a ho. Stick to your unintelligent party that you belong to. Stick with your unintelligent people party. Now, obey your who say obey done and this time the Abasamira Swamito. This time this media won't contain us. Now I thank God say Mama when we imagine and find the awope. I used to tell you, say me, I'm not that type. I'm a strong-minded person. And I mean, I'm in politics, Kreska. Me na minimu da o minim there and I feel it there adwuma why na so mutumi ma bibi me na minimu hwe e na metuwe na ekufu ado ma me dollar da o ma me sefa o ma me kobo me papa na na do a me call no ho court 2 years e ko bre you ko 20 years ka there o ma me $1 da because my intent of coming into politics wasn't for money na me se same jamfi etwa atrododo. Now I say NDC future trododo. So I want to come and talk for MPP and expose the lies. And into more money me aye adwuma channel. First no mobile na Monday ya the mobile classroom me boa. Na ya chere mo. Constitution na ya read ya chirim. Digital na ya chirim data na ya chirim sa na me ye. So it's not about money. Na me politician to me to me. They be a oko Ghana on me catch Felix there who this kind of man no kurana say oko ka say no or the bema wo Felix ne dey on there be o ne ko kan ye Felix me the bema because say me se nanado e bo nipa na me hu say wo hu say wo pesa wo sign nanado niam a o ye na me nya wo ma won say no me suban no enu ti politician be anu wa ne Ghana politics o be ka kire me say me kwati apia me hye ni botom o me kan kire yen Debbie, I'm accommodative, metal was here. Now, so my mom found pin and family me because me want me call support group. And now I had the me. Say me cook me call now show me inbox. Musi I can say, baby girl, Charlie, and the young mamma crop 50 be mammy. I charge 3 hours, many $50 the me fresh sister Diana Rivers and ne sister Diana. Emunya mamma crow mamma kakra and charge the didi obe mammy. Me friend Obaya from Pong, me friend Chairman Janice, whoever I call, my call people are so me from and they are about 5 people. And I come to them sometimes once in a year, sometimes never. Into no politician be to me to me. To me, me, there be me crown men. Hopeson will be the best person to tell you. Hopeson will be the best person to tell you. When in front of cash, in an envelope, in front of Alan Kweju Cheremanting, I rejected, said no. I've already declared Falaji Mahmoud Bawumia. So it will be a big indictment on my conscience. Say me free Ghana, me free Canada ako Ghana. Me se Bawumia. Since 2020, me se Bawumia. Now my call Ghana about 2022. Ya me ba ya me say there no more Bawumia. Na alam. Baby, how can people even take me away serious? So in front, yes, I saw it was money. Hopeson, you know that. I know it was money in the envelope. Alan Chairmanti aid, you know, a guy needing grab this and guy to tintin bisa. Boy be mine bisa, tintin be. Oh no, no, I said no. Me ba be ye Gary Soakins neti. Na me dia kanokre. They be amekaya na enkrofo sereme. No be a we brutally na. Sebi ubedi Gary Soakins. I'm saying Gary Soakins say diane amepe. Say Gary Soakins na me Kwasiapia me di na politician be to me and control me. Ameye. And the reason why the politicians, most of them, even our own party, to me, they say, Felix in Yobi, Oberman script, say, cocaine, no, qua, cocaine, ABC, the Debbie. Obekwa Kochuchum. Obekwa Kochuchum. Kwasiapia no information, Mamma said, me family bontia. Me didn't count him. And this agenda, men can't that. Sarah Mitie. Into the most mammy, I mean, Cono. The agenda, no men caught. Me name so nipa ne nye ibi keke na moko ebire bi na abronye sepa me se menye no bi se party na se party che Kennedy Japan na me kugina Kennedy Japan echi to fight against abronye adam aboda abronye na odentuma efra party no odentuma efra party no obi ntro bi a wodi anko yie no onu mo na me konko me to fight against abronye mabodam menyo me Kwasiapia menye da I na abe mami. Ahia na mobe mami. MPP Fosika yama wa 20,000. 200 million 200 the bond reboom no. MPP Fosika yama wa de edu no. Intime nkoton madwene. Enton mi nyansa ni minim die to support something that I know wouldn't be good for the party. Charlie. Yeah. Mami fancy. Me say me obi a politician be anti Ghana for mon come party office work. Politician be no many hopes in nante for ask Hopeson say sika he no Hopeson to me dia ma me feles apia say ne boy on no me 96 ka we no dia ma. Oh, there be the ones that man my principal will not allow me to collect somebody's money and not work for them. In 10 is kind of menge. Oh, there be na scan there and come di anka ba na kra no anka me dia wi na scan ya na e be ma. Envelope kufu say and nation. I'm telling you, God is my witness. Hopeson is my witness. I want no any the program be or yeah no Johnson Mall say one that place one or yeah. Me na name create gift inside Edinburgh full stage. So my madam says I'm a boy. Omra meka says we me boy. Ya ye kom pamocho dia muye e dia nimguase bebremo e dia nimguase bebremo. Mo se da na sebe o kwa apostle kojo safo kantanka emeritus papa say wo kwa na de duanan a wakwa akose koleba no so aprekese for koleba atade e hye wase prekese afi na omde atugem ano aho kakra ye de beto nkwan usoba umia stupidity Hopeson, and I think you should know this. You have acted moronic for so long. Fucking get some sense. We yiri wo Germany. We sika hin na wo mu ayade wo yiri eba Ghana baba sie no. Ye no Germany anko bi ema. We yiri wo Hopeson, we yiri free mu. Katra ye say me Hopeson adoye, me yiri wo ye no, me tua ska we, ama ye de ye me yiri yi. Ye sam muro nsamfo ye na wo from muro nsamfo yi. MPP fo ya. And you see we yere fefe de anunyam pa wani. Ye wie ye and ye say bola goods bi aba sofo bi si wonpe and I say nya hwe ye mfa nya flat amount na wo de be ye doko no eno so ka kire ye say wo ware wo ne wo yiri ni na mo ware musika hin na wo sa marriage ni mu o de this time be jimi wo yere nka de bia je be ma be ye life aba be su ono so na kakra na we obesu no o yere na o gba ne kakra me de wo and na me nyamin tiampa ye gift to adwenim me madam no na so ukunu no wo jimi ya boy yam kakra na camera besa na my God is living and my God is sustainable God and I no precious bikes next and nyame and a me share oh nyame e why and na wusu anye beba be tu so agu so me say odia dike me ba obi abeba mu me say me ka kire mo Hopeson. If you want us to respect your wife, then advise yourself and respect other people's wife. On fa we yere nkon kwasha glass na on ma me fo obi yere mfa ne nsisim pie so. Enke kan kwasi asem de enim ne de wo mu ni na mfa mfra se o ye politics. Na uwie kosia na yi ase a o kwa kwasere na ugina wa na wo se na nka ede na aka. Samira sabi onwura na tade o ma nufu ono mu ana. Utikra na ko jinu nufu kura di jam wani su ma kura no se kwa jimi no wajimi no. And for you people don't know what I've gone through because of Hopeson. Wow. Men kamasem because of Hopeson adoyenti. Most MPP people didn't even want to relate with me. I'm being honest with you. MP before baby dem pay masebi na party office one person baby me na Hopeson adoyenti. Because no more say my loyalty lies with Hopeson and not the party. Na ya ye kumu ma kote afa franto kugumu heni mu ase. Nen na yesan ba ya wasen be gina ho e no ofri ni je ofri Bamako. Why? Ofri Bamako. Samira free Bamako. Ude jai kura mami. Samira free Bamako ono an yesi yepe. Eya ka kira wo yiri say oya popular enti won ko gina for assemblies. But to ko ka chance won ko gina for assembly woman. Yet the kromu ha ebra wo Hopeson. Unim. Hopeson Adoya is the only educated man. Only obia only education now call election parliamentary. Ya bon fefra people no. Nyame mamu honto mo da. No ma kene baby ensu nka. Cause man dwene Ghana da ache ho. Mo dwene mafu ene mani onyama mo benya in the public. And then the state capture e japade Hopeson Adoya ese prekese ya de koto abenkwam. Hopeson Adoya why your who say prekese and na mate so mo so obo sabato dia and then the obo sabato dia one can safari ni wenim Hopeson eya me ya pa se me go me ho egugu me ho e na oba be nante ye me donya me nu me ho nchen bibia sada sa wagini sa wo to me fan crofo yire edu omo atam ka dia pa no be be kan gift ya sam dia wo so ko boni dua na bosum ban kra na be san kwase dua na ma Bosum be Hopeson Adoya, bosum be pa no be di san kwase asem we yachi. Wo wodi obe yiri ti simpie so agu no fi esen no. Wo yiri di obe kasa wo yiri ha dia. Wo se da bi wabo. Eh now Hopeson Adoya say na wo tie. Onam woni na we empty like that. My God, it's like Obebonua. Hopeson, so bia hona ese aburu ni dua ye wo and I saw chimfo ni na ye konko nyadamu abru Hopeson bia sama wa brabo nsi uyeda. Because so the obey you bring some no bitterness, greediness, what the one some ye no ni na didi efom. No one to me from more bra papa bi entu no. Who said that the whole clan ekotu mu say ye ya chimfo a ye wia Ghana japade. And we japade book na we. Hopeson Adoya, we japade book na we. Once when me gu ase. Na one de haji ade ye no. O ma we ye foolish keke. Na say we gina no ade ya we ya. Me see we are say every bully hates somebody who bullies. The bullies hate themselves. Na wa kwe gina be kika san kwasi asem we. E de afọ obi yire ho. Na wo wi a wo se onipa na hia we ya say Dr. Baomiano o different medicine unti no no. O enti na de amoye nisu ni na nka be haji ade gurube emfa. Haji ade me se na me Hopeson me catch you Endra me ma warning. Endra so won say video be trend ya no na ye preview. Me Sa 2023 nkwasi asem na moye ya yenum bi ye kom na we ya na like Haji anum so Munjai Felix, you know we are the same party. You know, oh there be Haji, my own madam is you. Madam, this time around you are not going to stop any of us. Haji Samira Bawumia, this time you are not going to stop anybody. Haji, if they want clean campaign, then they should not mention your name. If they mention your husband's name, I'm okay. And your politics. But Hadia Samira, if these fools whose wives don't match you anywhere, yes, you do any better from Hadia, and you will be never be to Brazil, but now you be Jimmy Rough. Hopeson, so be aware, says I was my organ and in the and your whoops now, and as I was my organ and woody. When I go, we are soon and through Ghana, I will him done so. Udi medi yamwe pesema and anka wo ye de sebe a whole president akwa to problem ye Hopeson na do ya ka kire ye say we broni case ya course no Hopeson we nya $1 kura ndi wo ho da na mso me fa receipt mra to ba ka kire wo my country said this time around sad gentleness na medema on Hopeson, I'm telling you this time I won't protect you again. It will not work. It will not work. Hopeson, I'm telling you, if you don't keep quiet and form your useless, confused bunch of people and bitter group called UP. Now, Bayesa with the Samira is our Bayesa Jimmy Hopeson. This time, don't fucking try. Hopeson, don't fucking try this time around. If you to obey a man too. Chopper Ben, who hopes not doye, manpower. Chopper Ben, a manpower. And a Japadia book no eh. And the Ghana box sites now, yet the man another man. I then a Japadian didn't work. Who didn't bitterness. Me nimsika do and now hopes in person. Yet the man was a well brony case no. Who's the who could do what? Who could do Kwasiapanin? A queer say, well to me now, who pictures, naked picture, now the Baba blackmail party. Hey, Wunti. Wunti, as much as Nanado loved me, as much as Nanado cherished me, Nanado couldn't even come close to me because of you, Hopeson. Because someone didn't say, the woman me beke biano, Baba beka chewu Hopeson. Me and Kasami social media now for Sabato, SKB, why? Everybody was wondering why Felix is not talking about Hopeson. Because I wanted to give respect to friendship. But if those things means nothing to you, if those things means nothing to you, then I'm the one in the boat, and you know I'm there, and you know everything I have is credible. So don't even fuck with me, Hopeson. Don't even try that. You know me, you claim me be credible. And I'm assuming men no say start here in Kulu. So advise your stupid self to stay away from the issues of Samira Bawumia. Samira so ye konkomben you. So ye Hari Krishna you. Sebion predu asasa so ye puasi ni po. Ono na Ghana for say ye pay. It wo yere Michael Jackson no. Pe kwan say wodu na busu afia enkrama mpo no. Ye say na nansa wo kɔ na busu afia krama bi o wo se wasesa. Krama ni hu wo yere na wo ni samanya be fie. Wo yere wo wura fie a ye pɔ no se saman. Ma start san kwasi asem ni bi o. If you want us to respect your wife, Hopeson, respect other people's wife. You cannot insult somebody's wife and expect that your wife should be cherished. That is stupidity, Hopeson, and I think you should know this. You have acted moronic for so long. Fucking get some sense. We Germany. We see in the woman you do we eba Ghana baby see no. Yeah, you know Germany and Kobe Emma. We Hopeson, we free mu. Katra ya say me Hopeson adoye, me yiri wu ye no, me tua ska we, ama ye de ye me yire yi. Yes, I'm on some foye and now from some foye. MPP for ya. and you see we yere fefe de anunyam ba w'anim ye wie ye and you say bola goods bi aba sofo bi si wonpe and I say nya hwe yemfa nya flat amount na wo de be ye doko no eno so ka kire yen say wo ware wo ne wo yiri ni na mo ware musika hin na wo sa marriage ni mu o de this time be jimi wo yere nka de bia je be ma be life aba be su ono so na kakra na we obesu no o yere na o gba ne kakra me ready me de wo ena me dia me nyame tiampa ye give to adwenim me madam no na so ukunu no wo jimi ya boy yam kakra na camera besa na my God is living and my God is sustainable God and na no precious bags next and nyame and na me share oh nyame e why